Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope.
Hi, I warmly welcome you to my channel, Airspacegraphics. Today I will gonna show you how to design the Cute Simpson on Illustrator. So let us get into it. First of all, open up your Illustrator and then click the button of Create New. After that, in the pop-up box, follow along and set to correct measurements.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working.
Then if you are all set, click on the Create button. So now we landed into our artboard. Now I will place my reference image to this artboard. To it you have to go to File, and then Place. Select the reference and hit the button Place. Or simply you can use the shortcut Control and Shift plus letter P. Then in the Layers panel you should select the layer 1 and double click. Then in the pop-up box rename it as Reference and remember to check the template dialog. It will dim your image. This will make you to trace the image more conveniently. Now I have to create a new layer in order to trace the picture. So create a new layer and rename it as Outline. I will make the black color to dark blue color. Now, it is the time to trace the image. So I will grab my pen tool. In the Properties panel, click on the stroke and in that make sure to make corners round. Set the stroke to about 8. Now I will start the tracing process. And then follow along with me. To curve the path I will use the special trick. Set the anchor point tool to curve the path. You can also activate by pressing Alt on your keyboard when you selected pen tool. Now I will use circle tool to make his ears.
Stock cause it's faster than any crypto hits go. Let me spend everything that you see.
Select the curved pen tool to make his eyes. That are the basics. Now with that tools used I will create this.
Just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up.
Just enjoy or follow along with me.
I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning. You could call me.
Use direct selection tool to make the corners round. This is a major requirement when you drawing cute items. If the corners get round, the cuteness get doubled, in my point. Now I will create his body. Now it is time to color the image. To it, first and foremost you have to create a new layer, and then you heat to name it as color. You must remember to lock the outline layer before you start to color. Now let us begin the coloring process. These are some cute colors that I will use to color our Simpson. You have to grab your pen tool and draw the areas that you want to color with the particular color. All thought this seems to be very tedious. This is the best way to create a good looking final result. Remember that hard work will make your result even more better. After that, to give some details to our vector cartoon, I will add some shadows to our vector design. So to it, I will create a new layer, all the layers above, and then rename it as shadows.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster.
Use your pen tool to make shadows at the design.
Something out of my nightmares, seen it right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test.
Now we are almost finished. Let us add a good looking background to our design.
And I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something.
I will select the rectangle tool whose shortcut is letter M, and click on the artboard. In the pop-up box, insert your artboard measurements and hit OK.
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing.
Now this is our Cute Simpson. Hope you would enjoy the video and learn something new. Comment if you have any single issue related to this. I will help you instantly. Thank you. Hope to see you the next video. Until such time, handy bye for you all.
I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions.